Hello everyone and welcome back to another Finance for Beginners tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your existing account on the EveryDollar application. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the EveryDollar application on your device. And when you open it up, you will see the Create Account as well as the Sign In button. Tap on the Sign In button underneath, and this will now take you into the web page and you will see the login portal. Now, you also have the option to sign in using single sign-on. When you do this, you will simply be asked to enter the security code that has been sent to your email, kind of like verifying your email address while signing up. Alternatively, just enter your email address within the email box and then enter your account password underneath. You can then tap on the sign in button and you will now be logged in to your EveryDollar account right away. In case you have forgotten your password, you will find the forgot password option underneath the sign in button, which you can click on in order to reset your credentials. That is how easy it is to log into your existing account on the EveryDollar application. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also, don't forget to ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.